For over a century, humanity has actively searched for neighbors, scanning the sky with massive radio dishes and sending our own messages out into the dark. Yet, despite living in a universe that holds hundreds of billions of galaxies, we have heard absolutely nothing. This is the Fermi Paradox. Usually, we explain this silence with grim theories. We assume intelligent life is an extreme statistical rarity, or that advanced technological civilizations inevitably destroy themselves before they can make contact. But there is an alternative explanation. The lack of contact may have nothing to do with whether we are alone. Instead, the sheer physical scale and structural layout of the cosmos naturally keep civilizations apart. Hearing nothing is not proof of an empty universe. It is a testament to how heavily the architecture of space restricts communication. This map illustrates the absolute speed limit of our reality. Even at light speed, a broadcast to our nearest star takes 4 years. Scale out to civilizations millions of light years away, and the delay compounds. A reply would take millions of years to complete. Compare that timeline to our own capabilities. We have possessed radio technology for roughly a century. Even if our immediate galactic neighborhood is teeming with intelligent life, those sheer distances guarantee that a real-time conversation is physically impossible. Zooming out from individual stars, we find the Milky Way sitting in a small cluster of neighbors, including the Andromeda Galaxy. Look at this macro-level map. Galaxies cluster densely along intersecting threads known as the cosmic web. Dictated by dark matter, this invisible scaffolding pulls galaxies together. Between these filaments sit cosmic voids, desolate stretches of empty space, hundreds of millions of light years across. Imagine a civilization evolving on a planet deep inside one of these dark zones, completely isolated from the bustling intersections of the galactic web. In space, geography dictates destiny. A civilization might experience absolute silence simply because they were born in a structural desert, with no neighbors close enough to observe. On the absolute largest cosmological scale, we find the universe is not static. Space itself is constantly stretching apart. Because of this expansion, distant galaxies are actually rushing away from us. The farther away they are, the faster they recede. The spherical boundary maps the cosmic horizon, the limit where space expands so quickly that light can never catch up. If an alien civilization just outside this horizon transmits to Earth, their signal remains permanently out of reach, struggling inward while space expands faster. This creates an insurmountable tailable-trick wall. Vast populations of the cosmos are forever locked away, completely unable to communicate with one another. Returning to the human perspective, we face 2 distinct layers of isolation: the physical gaps in the cosmic web and the vast, mismatched spans of time between us and any potential neighbors. The Milky Way galaxy has existed for more than 10 billion years, while humanity's time staring at the sky barely registers as a fraction of a second. A message from a distant civilization could have successfully crossed the void, only to wash over Earth millions of years before humans even existed. Or a signal sent our way today might not arrive until millions of years after we are gone. Because looking deeper into space is effectively looking further back in time, we are searching for relics rather than active participants. We must map the dark matter structures and voids to understand where ancient signals might still be traveling, transforming our search into a form of cosmic archaeology across space and time. The universe is not intentionally hiding alien life. Between the overwhelming distances, the structural voids, and the continuous expansion of space, profound isolation is just the natural state of existence.